I hope this doesn't turn into like a massive session. Don't hit the car, please.
Oh! It's definitely turning into a session.
Get off the ramp, Gabe.
We lost Brian.
So we had this great idea that we were gonna make a video called Carlos 360 flips over Andy's Tesla.
Oh, it's gonna be my Tesla.
So yesterday, he got into a Tesla and it drove out and then got a flat tire. So we're gonna jump over my wife's car. Please don't hit it. Please do not hit my wife's car.
We're gonna do a test right now. We're gonna get the red ball, see how much exact speed we need to get over your car, okay?
I hope this doesn't turn into like a massive session over the car.
If I were you, I'd be comfortable with Vinnie going over your car too, though.
Vinnie is fine, okay? Vinnie doesn't even need the ramp to jump over the car. Oh, you just hit my car. You just fully hit the car.
It's definitely turning into a session.
Oh my God!
I will let Vinnie jump the car.
Vinnie just went so high. Yes, Andy! Yes, Andy!
This is gonna be gnarly.
Oh, he was fully in the air for about 5 seconds.
So wait, hold on, let's see. Car is a little bit taller. You literally cleared that line.
Did you hear him say easy midway
did.
through?
Yeah.
Andy, you got it!
No!
Dude, the ramp?
Okay, come here.
I like looked at this right before I ollied and I was like, I'm gonna hit it! That's there every time?
That's how the ramp was built. Just with
That is terrifying!
It's just like too easy.
Oh!
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 Wow!
You gotta hit it really early.
Oh my God!
I am not going that fast.
Oh!
Dude, that is way bigger than it looks. My feet feel awesome.
Oh yeah! Oh! Oh my God!
Look how far I made it. I'm so proud of it.
Yeah!
It's just an ollie.
Yeah! Oh my God!
Thank you.
What kind of bearings you riding?
Neil Bearings, man.
Oh, you've heard it here first.
Rowan, let me run into that ball.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
No way, you better.
I need a motorcycle.
So like there? Yeah. Don't hit the car, please.
Positive mindset.
I can say I helped out in this video. How do you feel?
I'm nervous because they kick out and it dings that car. Man,
What's your wife gonna say?
she's gonna get mad.
Dude, I'm about to eat Chinese food and just watch this happen. This is the best situation I could be in right
Cheers.
now. Whoa!
Oh my!
How's that going?
Amazing.
Yeah?
I ollied it, and then now I'm eating.
It's like Jurassic Park for skateboarding. Yeah!
I didn't look.
Oh, shit.
Collateral damage.
What'd you do?
Finally, a kickflip off for the ages.
Oh!
I need to give Fetty a high five.
Yeah.
Need a high five. All right.
Now you got it.
We got it, right? Oh.
Wow! I must give this man a high five.
You're right, I did need Fetty's high five.
I told you. Yeah! You!
Back your car up a little bit. I'll tray flip over your head.
It was going really well until I broke out the tray flip. I hate you. I hate you.
Why doesn't Carlos just 3-flip it with the electric board?
You know how tired I am? This is my last time bailing. I guarantee this next try, I'm going to prevail because I do not want to hit his wife's car. I don't even want to keep trying, so I'm just gonna land it right here.
I don't know who screamed. Was that you?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had a lot of fun making it. Good job to Vinnie Banh, Carlos, Andy Schrock. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh my God. Aaron.
Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.